Good day everyone. Hi, I'm Jer Bilagat from BSIT 3BA. Our topic for today is all about that we can use in data mining tools with descriptive analytics is what we call Weka. So let's start with installation. So right here is click here to download the extracting executable file in Weka. So click and then wait for the seconds that we can download. So right there, we will wait until the app or tools it's completely downloaded.
Good day everyone, I'm Kirby Palogan from BSIT 3ABA and I discuss today is all about how to download and installing Weka. There are two versions of Weka. Weka 3.8 is the latest stable versions and Weka 3.9 is the development of version. New releases of these two versions are normally made once or twice a year. For the bleeding edge, it is also possible to download nightly snapshots of these two versions. The stable versions receives only bug fixes and future upgrades that do not break compatibility with its earlier releases, while the development version may receive new features that break compatibility with its earlier releases. Weka 3.8 and 3.9 feature a package management system that makes it easy for the Weka community to add new functionality to Weka. The package management system requires an internet connection in order to download and install packages.
So the download is complete right here. We click here and yes, next, wait, next, next, stop, and we wait for the installing package. Okay, finish, and then research about the file manager. So we click Weka 3.6 and then the Weka the data and then copy and paste to the documents its name Weka dataset. So open the Weka.
Therefore, interface of Weka, the Explorer, Experimenter, Knowledge, and Flow, and the simple CLI. The Explorer only is the one of that will be using it. Right-click the Explorer and that will see the 5 panels of Weka. The pre-process, classify cluster, associate select attributes, and visualize.